And this, Laura must say, this is a skin tint. Oh, it's tinted moisturizer. This is a tinted moisturizer. I'm gonna start using this because why not? This is like light coverage, so perfect on the go. Is this still sealed? Oh no, it's not. Okay, let's try. Oh, it's come out, guys. Let's try to swatch out. So this is looks like this is what I picked for my skin tone. It's perfect. See, it's nice, easy to blend. There's no smells. Wow, I like it. Oh, I'm gonna start using this. Oh, nice. Okay, let's put it in here in my thingy.